Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to use Google Sites to create a website. So the first step is to simply go to Google Sites. Now once you go here, as you can see, you're gonna have different options. So if you want, you can create a blank site, so basically start from scratch, or simply use a template. As you can see here, you can create a template using this portfolio one, event, help center, or project. So you're gonna have to simply choose any of these. I'm gonna go and choose a blank site for this tutorial. And as you can see, after you click on that, you're gonna get redirected here. And basically here you can start adding content. And as you can see here on the right side, we have the controls and everything that we can add. So if you want, you can scroll down and add content blocks. So simply click on any of these, and as you can see, they're gonna be added at the bottom. And here, as you can see, you can change the colors, you can add images. If you want, you can duplicate this, or if you want, you can delete. Now if you scroll down, as you can see, you have other buttons. If you want, you can embed YouTube calendar, Google Maps, and other Google products to your website. Now if you go here to pages, you can add multiple pages. So if you want, you can have a home page and then a contact page. So as you can see here, you can basically create a new menu. Now if you go to themes here, you can change. So as you can see here, you can change the colors of your theme. And as you can see here, you have different templates again that you can use for free. Now in order to publish this website, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on publish, and then here, as you can see, if you want, you can connect your custom domain, or you can use Google free domain, as you can see. And basically after that, you can simply click on publish, and that's all. Now you have a website created using Google Sites. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.